This presentation is about Google Drive, documents in the cloud. The first thing I'd like to tell you is how to access your Google Drive. From inside your Google email account, click on the symbol shown here in the top right corner of your page. Then you're going to click on the symbol that says Drive. This will take you to your Google Drive and a screen that looks like this. Now I would like to tell you what the tabs mean. The first tab is called the Create. This tab is where you'll go to create all your documents. I'll tell you more about that later. The next tab we have is called My Drive. This shows all your folders and documents. The next tab we have is called Shared with Me. This will show all documents that other people have shared with you. The Starred tab shows all the documents that you've clicked as your favorites to make it easy to access them. The Recent tab brings up all of your recent documents that you've been working on. The Activity tab shows when the docs were edited. All Items shows you all your folders and documents. Trash holds all the deleted folders and documents until you empty it. The Owner Type More tab gives you links to sort and show certain types of documents and folders. Connect Drive to your desktop allows you to download the drive to your desktop to use it from there. Now, I'd like to sit there and tell you about how to create your documents. Under the Folder tab, you can click on that and you can create a folder and name the folder whatever you want it to be. Then we have the Document tab. This creates an MS Word type document where you can add a title in the top left, and it basically works just like Microsoft Word. Presentation. Presentation gives an MS PowerPoint type presentation that you can create. Then we have Spreadsheet. This creates an Microsoft Excel type document. The Form tab allows you to create questionnaires that you can send out to people to get different information on various subjects that you may want. You can also connect this to your Google spreadsheet. The Drawing tab allows you to create and share pictures that you'd like to create. The Connect More apps brings you to a screen that allows you to add a variety of other applications that Google has designed and other third-party members that you can add into your Google Drive document folder. Now I'd like to talk to you about the sharing features. From inside your document, you can click on the share symbol in the upper right corner of your options. It'll bring up a screen that looks like this. The link that is highlighted in blue is the link that you would use to send to people that you want to share with. You also have the option to share this with your Gmail account, your Google Plus account, Facebook, or Twitter. Under Who Can Access, you'll see it says Private, only the people listed below can access. You can click on the Change button to sit there and change the options on who can access it and do what with your document. Below that is the name of the person who created the document, and this is the owner of the document. They have the ability to do everything with the document that they want, including adding other people to allow them to edit, view it, or change the document type. At the bottom, you see Invite People. You can enter the names or email addresses or groups of people that you would like to be able to access this document. At the bottom, when you're finished doing all that, you can click Done. Now, a little bit more of the sharing options under Invite People. You can invite people, as I said, enter the names, email addresses, or groups. Then you can click Change to change these options. When you click Change, this screen will appear and it allows you to tell who the editors are allowed to add people and change the permissions. You can also set it that only the owner can change permissions. Once you're done making your choices, then you can click Save. Once you go under the tab for Who Can Access, you click the change. This screen will come up, and you can set your document for either public on the web, where anybody on the internet can access it, or you can click on this link with Anyone with Link. Once you go into Anyone with Link, that allows you to set the options that they can either view it or edit it. If you click on Private, then only people explicitly granted permission can access it. Again, once you're done, click on the Save button. When picking public on the web or anyone with link, you can set it so that they can either edit it, make comments on it, or just view it. With all of your documents, you also have the ability to make collaborations. Collaborations can be done with documents that you share, documents that are shared with you, and you have the ability to work on these documents at the same time with somebody. In summary, I've tried to explain to you what the options are in your Google Drive, various documents that you can create, how to share them, and the options on what people that you've shared documents with can or cannot do, and all the various sharing options. Thank you very much for listening to this presentation. I hope that it helped.